I'm gonna show you how to install the GCam. First things first, go to the forums and search for GCam from the OnePlus 8 8T. Download this, the APK. So you can just go to the website and just go here. There you go. And then you just download it. And go slow though. Download it this way. Download it like that. Download it anyways. Open, and then click install. Sure, I'll just show you how to do it. Click install. Done. And next we go back. Go back. Go to internal storage. There you go. And then you click new folder. You call this GCam. I already have it, so don't worry. So GCam. And then the next one is configs. Make a new one. Config 7. I'm in this file, pixel.4.6.uno, that's 7.3 XML. Download that one. I'll provide it and put it in this folder. After that, I'll click on the three little dots and then click restore. And it should be working, your camera. It should be more clear, like you can see stuff like that. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, hit a like and thanks and subscribe. Peace guys, thank you, bye. So we're connecting your internal storage. GCam, double click. You can right click. The alternative is right click, new folder, call it GCam. It's already there, so I have to do it. Just delete it. So GCam, and the next one's config 7, and then you drag the file in. So pixels.7, just drag it in. That's another way to do it.